Hi guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add fonts on Procreate. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is go to your App Store and then search for the app called iFont. Get the app. After downloading the app, now go to thefont.com. From here, you can download any font that you like, and then you can download it for free. So for example, I want to use the font Always Smile. Just tap on download. And there you will see at the bottom the file. Now open the file. Then select Save to Files. Now go to your files and then select Downloads. And then you will see here the file Always Smile. You can open it and then check the font. Now click on the blue arrow and then open it with iFont. And then you can see it right here, welcome to iFont. And then you can see right here the font that you just download. Tap on install. And then tap on allow and then close. Now open the settings. Now go to your profile and then you can see the font you download. Tap on that and then tap install and then you're done. You can now go to Procreate and then check if the font is there. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.